Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the SPH or smooth particle hydrodynamic explosion over the concrete wall or a slab reinforced with steel rebars, and I use a strain rate dependency for the concrete in this simulation. If I click on animate here, let's me to check it in this view, the damage which happened. This is the damage which happened in the slab, and that's the detonation. And this is the last frame, and let me just check the wall here. See the deformation of the wall, it is too much. It is around 28 centimeter, and that's a big displacement, and it is filled completely here at the middle. And this is a compressive, a stiffness degradation, plastic strain, and also the tensile damage. And we can check the stress. It is more than the concrete capacity for the rebar. You can see the rebar, and also we can use rebar for this here. Let's need to make it bigger. Sorry, this. It is better. And also plastic strain, see? And for instance, displacement. See the displacement. This is the detonation or explosion by using SPH method, and we can check velocity here now. You can see the wall has resistance against the pressure penetration, but see this deformation. This means damage or failure completely here. So if you need to model concrete material by using CDP and strain rate dependency or SPH simulation for explosion, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial. Click on a blue sign around the title, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, material step interaction, load, and results here. And at the end, uh, the file contains CAE, IMP, and English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. You can purchase or pay for that through a PayPal account, and this is a good way. And also you can use a Visa or MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.